Yeah, Kalyan, please go ahead.
Yeah, okay, thank you. So, once again, I welcome you all. So, from yesterday class, I hope you everybody understood some of the concept in logical reasoning. So, today mathematical reasoning. So, unit number. Okay. So, mathematical reasoning. So, from in this unit, you need to work regarding the some problem. So, other cannot doing properly. So solve the questions. So before going to this unit, I once again recall the yesterday's unit, particularly one chapter, because that is a very important. I felt I'm not explain. I could not explain in proper way. So once again, I explained with the example. Then you could understand the very good manner. So I share my screen. Is it okay? Yesterday's syllabus again teach today. Is it okay now? So my screen is visible now. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So, so yesterday one of the main yesterday from the yesterday unit, one of the main topic is a categorical opposition. So basically, I show some diagrams based on they are asking some questions. So this in a they asking see in 49 my screen is visible now. My screen is visible. The questions are visible to you, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Respond because I explained this kind of sums. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So the first question 49 is that the proportion all men are mortal is an example of they given the four options. So what is the answer based on the yesterday? So anybody have any idea for this question? Wait, I will zoom it. Now okay. Anybody have idea? So which one is the answer? Please put in the chat box. Option A, Vikas. Okay. Others people? Universal affirmative, Prashit Mita Chaudhary. Okay. Moved. Other. Okay. So how basically, if the question is asking, if this kind of question be coming the examination, we just draw the diagram of like this. Sorry, I don't have other application. That's why I'm missing the a pen. If I hope you all understood this thing. So the as per the condition, it is the A, it is the E, it is the I, it is the O. Okay, so A mean universe. Universal affirmative, it means it starts with all. E means no or not. Okay, and I is the sum, and O is the sum not. Okay, the question is the proportion of all men are mortal. So all is where is in A. A means universal affirmative. and E is a universal universal negative, because it start with no and not, and some is a particular affirmative. Sorry, yeah, but I will try my best. So particular affirmative, and some not is a particular negative. Particular negative. So this is a whenever they, if the in the question paper they asking this kind of question, just draw the this diagram on A, E, I, O. Is a universal affirmative, E is a universal negative, and I is a some particular particular affirmative, and O is a particular negative. So A is to start with all, and E is the start with no or not, and I is the start with some, and O is a some. So that means the first question, the preposition universal affirmative. So what is the 15th question answer? If somebody. Okay, B, no men are perfect. So no is a E. E means negative, universal negative. So answer is a B. And 51 is the some flowers are green is an example of some means particular. So answer is a particular affirmatives. And okay, see, and 52 is the some Indians are not. So some not, it's a particular negative. So are you clear the categorical preposition concept? Now you clear? Shall I need more explanation, or it's okay, quite okay? Please, other people, please responding. Otherwise, I don't know, because it's very, very important. That's why again I explain this this particular chapter. Okay, you all. Hope you all understood. Otherwise, based on this concept, they asking. Based on this concept, they asking minimum 2 questions. Okay, maybe statement or statement or assertion, statement or assertion, reasoning or assertion, or sometimes they in what in match the following. So if they're asking match the following, it's a four concept will coming. So you need to proper understand concept. You can clear whichever question they ask, answer this question. Okay, so who is Lenovo? It's a yesterday I took the concept categorical square of the categorical square of the opposition or categorical under the categorical affirmative, it denote A. Second is the universal negative that denote E, and particular affirmative it denote I, particular negative it denote O. So affirmative it start with the all, like or mortal. In universal negative is it start with no or not. So no men are not mortal example. And universal particular affirmative is called they specify some flowers are green, so there is a particular affirmative. So some not, so that means particular negative, it's a some Indians are not spiritual. So this is the major main concept of the square of the opposition. So I clear this concept? Shall I move on next concept?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Otherwise, you have any doubt in particularly in the concept?
No, sir.
Thank you. So next, see one question they asking. See in this question. So my cursor is all of you seen my cursor here, that pencilola?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So the question is, see, given the below are two preposition, so all philosophers are fallible and Socrates is not fallible. So take the square of the opposition. So the first is the all philosopher. They're giving all the philosopher, and second in Socrates is not. So they given not. So here not. So if this is A and E and I and O. So base the difference between A E it's called contrary. And A between O or I between E, what is the difference between? Please unmute yourself and tell the answer. Have idea? Yes, contradiction. So A between A, O and between I and E is a contradiction. And what is a I and EO? What is the difference between AI and EO? So here is a contrary. Here is a both of opposite contradiction, and here sub contrary. Not. Please check the correct answer. I asking I A to I or E to O. Please respond. A to I it's called sub alternation. Here is a sub contrary. I to O. So basically question they asking, see they're giving some two statement, and what is the classical square of the opposition, the categorization or sub alternation. So which is the answer? That is the I refer from some of the question paper mostly last year almost 71 set of question paper they asking almost 50 question paper they asking this kind of the questions. So they're giving the two statement, and from the statement what is the answer, contrary or sub contrary or contradiction or sub alternation. So this is a another concept, another type of the question they asking in this concept. And one are you clear this kind of the questions? Can I go next concept? Yeah, thank you, Vikas. So I move on next one. So in terms they are in they basically they call syllogism. So based on the syllogism or engram, they are asking question from unit number 5 and 6. So from the mathematical reasoning they are asking this kind of question, and logical reasoning they are asking this kind of question. I just write some statement is some tables are golden on all takes are table. So from the statement, which are the conclusion is the correct? So first conclusion is some takes are the golden and some golden are take. from statement we need to diagram draw the diagram. So some tables are golden, so just write. So that means it's a table, it's a golden. So clear this first statement. For the first statement, this diagram. So some tables are golden. So this is a golden, this is a table. So here some parts are golden. So from this, next is the all takes are the tables. So inside the table it's a tick. Okay, so basically this kind of question, all takes are tables, nearby all it's a small round, and tables are the big round. So I draw the diagram both of statement, that's why it's look like this. They will ask three statement and given the two conclusion. So this kind of question they will ask in the question. I just tell in. So first is some tables are golden. So first table and golden, and second condition is all takes table. So nearby all. So the first conclusion, some takes are the golden. So with takes are inside the table. So here some part they align with the golden. So it's correct. First option right, and some golden are the take. So there is no relationship between some take and golden. There is no relationship. So this statement is wrong. So first conclusion is right, second conclusion is wrong. So clear this concept?
Sir, can you explain one more time the some ticks are golden part?
Yeah, one second. Just a see, first some tables are golden, so we draw that diagram like this. This is a table, this is a golden. Okay, clear. And second is the takes are table. That means all takes are within the table, means within the table takes are placed, be placed, because if in normal diagram for second statement is like this is a take, so it's a table. So all the take are the table. Second big round is indicate the table, and small round it indicate here takes. So here the conclusion is called so first conclusion. What is the first conclusion? Some, please unmute somebody and read the.
Some ticks are golden.
Some golden, sorry.
Some ticks are golden.
Some takes are the golden. So inside the table takes are there. So it means in table also take also sharing with the golden. Okay. So some takes are this. Sorry, before I mentioned wrong thing. Both are the right conclusion. So let's see the second things. You can understand more. This is came by practice only. So we do a more practice, we can understand easily. So this is very easy concept. And next is the no one is a tiger. So there is no relationship tiger man, tiger. So no man is a tiger. There is no relationship between them. But the Karan is a man. So Karan is a man. Okay. So from this diagram, the conclusion Karan is not a tiger. So this statement is correct. All men are not. All men are not Karan. So this statement also right. So Karan is a man, but all men is not Karan. That is the meaning of this second statement. So conclusion second is correct. So are you clear? Second statement, 137 question.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, Bindya. Okay, I'll move on. So remaining in 138. So all boys. So boys are small. All men's are big. So all is a small round is B and big round is sorry, small round is boys and big round is men, and all men are father. So men is a small and father is a big round. Okay, do we clear this? See, all boys are men. So here boys is a small round. Nearby all, we should mention in the small round. So that is a boys, and men's are big. And next condition is all men are father. So men is a small round. So here is the father inside the father men. So it's a small round. In the boys are inside the men. So this is the meaning of this statement. Conclusion: some men are boys. That condition is correct or not? Conclusion. No, first Abdul Kafir Singh. Another? Any? Second is correct. Divya is which one is correct? You said correct, but which one is correct? Second one, Abdul Kafir said both are correct. Both correct. Both are right. Second is correct. Different answer. Second one, both. Others? Both are correct. So answer is both are correct. So please check other people's. So some men are boys, all boys are fathers. So here is the father. See, boys. So inside the boys, father is big round and boys is small round. It means it's correct. Second is correct. Some men are boys are so correct. They asking some of the exam they asking this kind of the question. So this is a major thing. I yesterday I did not. I felt I did not clarify is good way. That is why I recall again today. So I stop it here and I started today's where. Give me a minute. So my screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So in unit number 5, yes, thank you. So mathematical reasoning, I'm not going to detail because per each chapter we need to one day because it's very what it's very huge unit because many concept will be there in that unit. I'll just give some basic idea so which type of question will come in this in section, and tomorrow we will look at the data interpretation. That time I compare with which type of method we used in that data interpretation, like average, fraction, and percentage, and profit and loss. This kind of concept we used in that data interpretation. That time I explained both mathematical reasoning and aptitude. And before other than that method, proper mathematical reasoning, I some aptitude basic thing I will explain here. So what is it covered today in this unit? So types of reasoning and number letters, number series, letter series, code and relationship, and mathematical aptitudes, fraction, time, distance, ratio, proportion, percentage, and profit and loss, interest and discounting and averages. So in first is the types of reasoning. So we already many times discussing about these types of reasoning, deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, abductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning, based on the deductive reasoning we resolve the syllogism. Inductive reasoning, we the non-verbal and sequences number. Deductive reasoning means based on the our assumption or probable thing, that's called the abductive reasoning. You know very well deductive reasoning. What is the mean deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning? Anyone? Please unmute yourself. So just tell. I explained many times deductive and inductive. What are the main theme of the deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning?
So is it general to specific and specific to general?
Okay, which one is general to specific?
Uh,
Uh-huh.
so is it
Which one is
deductive?
general to specific and which one is to specific? Okay, so deductive is the general to specific and inductive is the specific to general. Okay, thank you. So this is the main concept in the inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning. Based on the reasoning, we resolve the syllogism and non-verbal sequence and number sequence. So I'm not going to detail deductive and inductive. I'm just which type of the question they're asking in this unit. So first one is the series completion. So in the question they're asking series or sequence. So they give some number, which question will be coming. So this kind of question they asking every time be accepted from this. They not denied from this session. They will definitely ask one question from series completion and specific number things. So first structure of this series. So it's like it's a multiple one or addition one, or it's based on the prime number is, or is based on the square up, or cubic one, or series or geometric series. So this kind of thing, basic idea, basic thing, mathematical thing you need to understand. Then only we can solve the question easily. So first type is the add series. So add series means the number will be add. So 13 plus 5, 18 plus 5, 23 plus same number they are adding. And added series, it's a subtracting, so it's a -1. So 25 minus 23, 23 minus 5, 18. Like common number, they divided, subtract the common number and set up subtract. So one number will be a addition, and another second number it like subtraction. So square of the number will be, so 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 so square of 3. So till this and square of add up. So 1 square and 5 is the 2 square of plus 1, and 3 square of plus 2. Like this kind of section will be coming. And cubic series, so 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, and cube add up series. So n cube, and prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Like on prime square of the prime, 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. So arithmetic series 3, 6, 9. That means a r square r cube, so r plus 1, the forming of the arithmetic is. And geometric is a plus a into r, Tn is equal to n plus 1 into d. That is the geometric series. So basically you need to understand the number system. So in that school level, they all the things you already read section reading. From that only they asking the questions. So example, this kind of question they will ask me. So first example is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. So they're asking what is number. So after the 17, the prime number is 19. So answer is 19. This is a one type of the series. So based on the prime number series and different series. So 2, 5, 8, 11. So here is the difference between these two numbers. So 2 minus 5, 3, 5 minus 3, 8. 8 minus 5 is a 3, 11 minus 8, 3, 14 minus 3. So 17, which number is, we if add 3 will come 20. So answer is a 20. Though this is a different series. And okay, and next one is the difference between the consecutive numbers. So 45 and so 45, 38, 24 and 17. So what is the difference between? So 45 and 32 difference is 7, and next difference 38 minus 7 is the 31. So answer is the 31. So next is the multiplication. Yes, multiplication series, example 2, 6, 18, 54, 4, 8, 6, 1, 4, 58. So they multiply with the number. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 3, 54, 54 into 3, the answer is 162. This is a multiplication series. So and next is the division series. So they divide 720 divided by 120 is 720 divided by 6, 120, 120 divided by 6, 24, 24 divided by 6. Sorry, 720 divided by 6, 120 divided by 5. So it's the consecutive number they divide. that is the division series, and n square series, the number will be coming n square. So 1, 4, 3. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. Here is a 7 square. 7 squares are 49. So answer is the 14. So n square minus 1 square 1. So n square minus 1. So 4 minus 1 3, like 9 minus 1 8, 16 minus 1. So this is the n square minus 1 series. So basic on n square plus 1, they squaring the number and plus 1. So 1 square is a 1, plus 1 is 1 square. So 2 square plus 1 is the, this is the n square plus 1, same as n square plus 1 minus 1 r cube, n cube cube series also. This is the n cube scale series. So these are the number series. So definitely one this number series or letter series they will asking in the every question. If you have that, please go through the last year question paper series. They asking this kind of question. And next is the letter series based on the alphabetic order. They asking some questions. So there are 3 types, like based on the given the number position of the Z. So A from 1 until 26 for Z. And second is they given the reverse order. So Z from Z B will give 1 and A give the 26. And series of the opposite numbers. So for A of A is Z, B is the X, Y, and C is the X. Like this is the opposite series. So just remember. And next is the example 1 letter series. They asking only given the only 1 letter series and find the answer. So here the A, C, E, G, and K. So what is the answer here? Anybody? J, B. Okay. This is a very simple question. So just practice. Okay. So A, next is a C. So here B is the missing. C, E. Between this D is the missing. And E, G is a F is the missing. And G, next word is the and I. So we need to hear I. I is the answer. Option A is the answer. Okay. Clear? Everybody clear? This kind of question? Shall I move on next one? Next is the EQ. So A, M, B, C, O, D, P, F, R. So A, first look at the first alphabet, first A and D and C, D. Next is the E, like next word the M, N, O, P. Next is the Q. So EQ is the answer. So EQ is the answer. First, okay. Everybody is clear this concept. So everybody clear. These are 2 letter series and again 3 letter series also there. Just look at divided C, D, E, F, and K, L, M, N. So like which C, D, E, M, and X. So E, M, X. Answer. So clear this kind of question? Okay, clear. How we have to divide it? Which one? So are you asking?
3 letter series, sir.
Not dividing mean just write the separate. First letter. First in every word.
I understood.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So this is the letter series and coding and decoding. So based on the alphabetic order, again they asking kind of the analogical letter coding. What are things they asking, like in belongingness? See, belongingness is coded as a tablets TLBN. So will you code is LINU? Just write the first word. So BELON, and second you write the straight up the B, T, and E is the A, and L is like this, L, I, N, E, N, which letter will come? So what is the answer? Just simple analytical order. Yeah. Okay, next. Okay, I think everybody is clear. So everybody is. Shall I move on next one? Okay, next one is the letter coding and specific pattern. So here is they asking some specific pattern. They will asking like posted is coded as the dead stop. What is the changes here happen? They are writing in the reverse order. So posted is a D is the last letter, E is here, and T is so okay. So they order in the reverse order. So how to write in speed in reverse order? Which one is the answer? D E E P S. So answer is a. Okay. I think everybody clear. Yeah, okay. So next is the next is the coding with the numerical digits. So some time they are given the alphabetic order and the number is both in the same question. So train is coded as a 2 3 5 6. So if this kind of question you just write that separate TRAIN and number just like a straight of the T R is 3, A is a 4, 5 is I is a 5, and N is a 6. So how to write the range? Which number will come? So R is indicated here 3, and A is indicated 4, and I is indicated 5, and N is indicated 6. So 3, 4. This is the answer. Okay, clear. Clear. Everybody clear? Both numerical and digits, number and alphabetical order.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So next is the coding with the specific pattern. So okay, so coding with the specific pattern. If a page is the code, how will you code race RAC? So do you have any idea how they are given the number? What basis they given number? Do you have any idea?
Like they have mentioned that their alphabetic count basis number, sir. If P is
Yes,
a
yes, they give.
16th number, then we are going to.
Yeah, correct. Then so what is the R position then? So what is the answer for this? So based on the position, they are giving number.
18135.
P is the pace. So P is the 16th position. A is the number one. 18135. So answer A. So okay, great. So other people are clear this concept. Yeah. Next concept is mixed coding. So letters plus digits. So sometimes they are giving the within the both number and letters. So A315 are an actor. So D1 T5 is a dead. So how will be a coder rotate? So do you have any idea? Again, it's based on the position, I think. So A3 instead of 3 give the C. So C is the third position. That's why they're giving 3. Answer is
Yes, sir.
okay, correct. So this is answer. So clear in coding with a numerical digit or specific pattern or
Yes,
giving
sir.
letters, digits, both are you clear these three concepts?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So next is the code statement. So some of the questions they're giving some language which one we could not understand, but they will give the meaning of this word. So from the word they do re mi means he is a late, and famla means he is a yearly, and so d to it means he leaves soon. So which word means late? So from letter which word given the meaning of the late? So just please show the this diagram, this picture. So just write the all the code word. So do, re, me, and second is a f m e l a, and third is the so t do. So okay, so from this just check. So which one is a common from the both is? So me is a common. So me is the in is commonly is the both statement. So me is indicated here, yes. So then do is the which they asking what is the indicate late. Okay, so late means do. So the late is do. So answer is the late means sorry, answer is the re. Re is the late. So already they're giving he in the first statement he, and the conclusion is he, but the late is a re. So re is a late. So clear this kind of question? Yeah. So because I this kind of question they asking when I appear in the exam, they asking this kind of question. Very simple. Just write the comparing the both conclusion, and from that you find the answer. So clear this kind of concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So next is very important. Just go with the practices of the code language. You can get easily. Classification. So based on the classification, they're asking some questions. So choose the word that is least like other words in the group. So which one? Find the odd word. So which one is a different given the option? So first example, which one is the different? Okay, because given option A. Why is the why you give option A? Why is the different? Others, please respond. Yeah, correct. So calendar is a broader term, but date, day, month included in the calendar. So that is the next question. Next question answer. Choose the word that is least like other words in the group. Which one is the answer? Peacock, vulture, sparrow, swan. No idea?
Sir, I didn't understand.
I will share. See, from given the option, which given the option, one option is different from other thing. So date, day, month is small term, but it is included in the calendar. So calendar is the broader one, but inside the calendar, day, day, month, but calendar is not alone. Sorry, day and month is not alone. Inside the calendar, day, day. Inside will be there. That's why the next condition is peacock, vulture, sparrow, swan. So swan is the living in the water animal. Another three is the land animal. So different is that swan is the answer. So swan is here. answer. Clear? Sophia? Someone is the sorry. One option is different between the difference with the other three. So peacock and vulture sparrow are living in the land, but swan living in the water, under the water. So that is the swan is. So answer is the different. Clear, everybody? So this kind of question very simple. Just you understand the questions once you read one or two times or more than two times. You read the question, you can understood. And next is I move on the next slide. So choosing the odd pair of the words. So pair of the words mean here one word meaning for the one word they're giving the group of the group of the word. So cattle is a single, herd is a group of the all the cattle. So cattle is a single and herd is a group of the cattle is called herd. So sheep, what is the answer? Which one is called group of the sheep? Anyone? Vikash, Bindiya? Yes, flock is the answer. So sheep.
I think she said
Option C is the answer. So group of the sheep is called a flock. So you just go through some of the material from add the pair words. You can understood. So like sometimes they asking what is the name of group of the what in particular animal or particular birds, they give some group name for that. So based on the group name, they asking this kind of question. And choose the number pair or group that is different from others. So which one is the answer? INR gave answer D. So why you guess answer? So first look at the first number of the every option. So 15, 12, 9, 8. So 15 we can divide by 3 and 12 we can also divide by 3. 9 also we can divide by 3. 8 we cannot divide by 3. So the difference between all the facts. So clear, everybody? Why the answer is A, option D? Yeah, correct. So and next is the example, choose the pair of the group that is from others. Which one is answer? Next example. Anybody? What is answer? Choose the number pair. Option is B. Oh, because just add the two number 5 plus 3 8, 7 plus 2 9, 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 7 8. So all the three options adding answer is 8, but B option C is the only, it's a 9. So answer is the 9. See B. Okay, clear. And what is the next is the choosing the odd letter group. The option is a B, C, D, N, P, R, K, L, M, P, Q, R. Which one is the answer? Yeah, option B, because they given three consecutive alphabetic order. So B, C, D. Yeah, C is a K, L, M, and P R. But here N, O. This kind of the questions add number or pair, just choosing the odd pair of the words or numerical pair or choosing the odd letter group given the letter group. So this kind of question they will asking. And analogy. So analogy means a correspondence. Which the first is apparel. Apparel is related to cloth, and footwear is related to which one? Any idea? Apparel is related to cloth. In the same way, footwear is related to
Shoes or
footwear related to is a leather. So from the apparel we made a cloth. So footwear from the leather only we can we make a footwear. So what is the second answer? As a delicious is related to and melodious is related to which one?
music.
Not music, it is the voice. Don't confuse because music is independent one, and from the voice we can identify the melody or it's a hard thing. Otherwise, based on the voice, we can identify it's a melody or something. Clear? Answer is option A, voice. Melody is related with voice, not music. Okay, this is the basic analogy, and next is the completion of analogies of pair. So first example is giant dwarf. So what is the genius? What is the answer for first example? Idiot. So it means the opposite synonym like antonyms of this word. So giant is big one, dwarf is the little one. So genius is a clever person. So based on the opposite of the genius word is the idiot. So answer is idiot, right? Okay. And example fruit is a banana. What is a mammal? Yeah, is a cow. So mammal is fruit is banana, and mammal is it's a which one give the milk? So cow give the milk. That is a mammal. So mammal is a cow. Option A. And based on this, next is the selecting the right on pair. So lamp, darkness. So which one is the correct pair for next in this option? Anyone? Lamp means light, darkness means is lamp help for the clearing the darkness. So that is a lamp term. So which one is correctly matched in this option? So water will be resolve our thirst. So answer is a B, water thirst. Not both and water only. So this kind of question they will asking sometimes, and you just work out or practice this kind of analogies and analogies pair or some on coding on letter series or number series. Then only you can understand that which are the concept in these questions they are asking. Like they are asking series or based on the formula. Also they are asking some questions. I will go to next slide. So choosing the similar one. So iron is a copper. What is the zinc? Iron is a copper and zinc is, which one is a similar with the nickel? So zinc is nickel. Answer is, so which zinc, iron, copper, zinc, and nickel also are the solid materials. Another is a mixing of the components. So there is a nickel is the answer. So next is the alphabet analogy and analogy. So BEGK is related to ADFJ. In the same way, PSVF to. So you have, can you identify which concept or which pattern in this alphabetic chronology? First word is BEGK, and next word is the ADFG.
C, sir.
Which one? Option D. Okay. How you tell which pattern? What is the pattern in this analogy? So B before one word it's the A, E before one word is in D. So like this, P before O, S before word is R, V before it is a U, M before word is L. So this is the concept in the alphabetic analogy. So and next is the, so these are the basic letter and alphabetic order and choosing the correct odd series and pair series. So based on the confirm 2 questions from this kind of pattern they will asking. So and next is the blood relation and direction sense and seating arrangement. Suppose if you are lucky, if they asking directly question from blood relation, 5 questions from this or 3 questions from this section. So if you blood relation direction seating arrangement, it will we need to hour from per chapter. We don't have time, so I recommend some YouTube channel for this, especially in this chapter. You can understood there are some tricks in that these 3 topics. So other than this topic, like which fraction, percentage, and simple interest component in time and work and profit and loss. So for this I gave some materials for practicing, and also so there are some example is there, so you just work out, you can understood, because we don't have time for every topic like fraction, percentage. We need at least 1 hour per chapter, then only we can easily solve the question. So mostly they asking fraction, sorry, profit and loss on simple simple and compound interest and age related sums, and sometimes they asking regarding time and work. So tomorrow we work out on the data interpretation. That time I will explain little bit about this each, like average and average, percentage, fractions, and what other else, and some of the time and work related sums I will explain tomorrow classes. These are the major important in this unit. I hope since I gave to everybody regarding this one on yesterday chapter, square of the opposition. So I just share some material regarding the formulas, which are the formula using the each topic. I will share, then we will conclude this session. See, to give major important to, like, which are the topic I will give. Simplification. So based on the BODMAS rule, we need to solve the questions, and formulas are important. So some question they 16 into 16 into 16, what is the answer? Like, so or 16 plus 18 the whole square, what is the expansion of this? So these are the important, these are the thing you already read in the example, sorry, in your school. Recall this kind of the sums in and work out these sums. So these are the important formula, Bartmold rules and these algebra formulas. And next is the probability. You know that based on the probability they're asking which one head and tail related, coins related sums, or based on the cards related, spade, club, hearts, diamond. Based on this they asking some question. Not most important, but important, average is important. So you know, you already know what is average. Average means sum of all the numbers divided by total numbers. It's average. Based on average, we solve the data interpretation sums. And percentage also very important. So like if a shopkeeper give raise a commodity 20% first, and again he give decrease the 10% for this commodity. So what is the answer based on this formula? 100 plus or into 100. So based on this, and profit and also loss are very important. Just I saw the formula, you just go through, otherwise we don't have time. Just work out this based on this formula. And ratio and proportion very important, and time on work, and time and distance, and problem and trains, simple and compound interest. Very limited topic in this section, you just work on that. So if you work one day, you can get some ideas on. I will give some previous year question paper from that each topic, like simple in compound interest or loss. So I work on that previous year question paper. I hope I will give before your examination, because I also engage with some other works. And these are the important in this mathematical reasoning. I stop it here. If you have any doubt, please ask it. This session are useful or not, I need to your feedback, because we are developing our pedagogy system for upcoming year. Is it okay? Clear all the concept? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so material I referred, see in every PPT I work on 5 to 6 hours. I referred 2 to 3 books on YouTube videos on previous year question paper. Mostly 6 to 7 years I regularly work in that PPT. So please useful, please carefully reading. It will definitely helpful for you. 50 out of 30 views. I hope on this kind of confidence I will give to you, everybody. Thank you. So if you have any queries or doubt or questions, please ask. Otherwise, we will end the sessions. No questions? Thank you. So how is going your paper 2 preparation? Is it quite well? Yeah, I working on the previous question paper, so probably I will within 1 or 2 days I will give some previous year question papers. Okay, so I think nobody have any doubt, so I can leave them, conclude the today's session. Thank you everyone. If you have any doubt, please WhatsApp text in plus. Thank you everyone.